Hi, and welcome to this week's episode of WRP TV. I'm Gary Reid, your host, and I'm joined by Lucy McNeil, who's PPC Director here at WRP Polymer, and Jen Grant, who's Head of Performance. One of the things that we are using quite a lot as an agency is value-based bidding, and maybe we can go into a bit of detail. Is what is value-based bidding? Why is it helping clients? Why are we starting to implement that?
Yeah, so value-based bidding is definitely something that we try to use across clients as an agency. It really is the gold standard for bidding algorithms on Google. And the reason being is, one, it's the most sort of sophisticated Google bid strategy that is out there. So they're always talking about AI and automation, but according to Google, they can sort of optimize more effectively to a value rather than just to a sort of single conversion. And the second thing is, for a lot of clients where you might not have enough sort of conversions to be hitting that 30, so ideally you need sort of 30 conversions in the last 30 days in order to use sort of automated bidding. And if you're not hitting that threshold, then one way that you can kind of cheat the system or get ahead is to kind of add in more smaller conversion actions. So that might be like a phone call, or it might be like a lead form that is submitted on your website. If you have a business where you have lots of different conversion actions and they're not assigned a value, Google is going to see them all as worth exactly the same. So let's say you're a business, like you're selling holidays, for example. Someone could go to your website and they could immediately go book a holiday and pay for that holiday, and that'll count as a purchase. But they might go and they might kind of get a quote for your holiday, or they might go and ring up your customer service team. If you have value-based bidding,
Or even sign up for your newsletter or something like that, and that would be counted the same as which obviously becomes quite crazy.
Yeah, let's say you paid for like a £2,000 holiday, or you've signed up to the newsletter. If you're not assigning those two things a value, and Google starts saying, doesn't matter which one they do, they're worth the same. Like, that's definitely not what you want for the bottom line of any business. However, if you use value-based bidding and give that newsletter sign up a value, maybe it's only a few pounds because it's not sort of definitely nowhere near the same value as that sort of final holiday booking, but you still want to encourage Google to get some of those conversions. By using value-based bidding, you can essentially sort of rank the conversions that you have by giving them all a value. So you're still telling Google to look at multiple conversion points, but you want it to favor that final sort of purchase, which is the higher value for your business. And doing that can just give the algorithms enough data to work towards, but also kind of give your bottom line for the business, like make sure you're working towards the right goals that are actually valuable for your business within that as well.
Cool.
I think, just to add to that as well, around value-based bidding tends to be, or kind of recommended, I guess, that you try and work towards like one goal still, even if you have like multiple touch points. So I guess what Jen was saying, by adding different values, you can also see kind of the amount of conversions coming through each of those points, and then adjust to whereabouts, in that path to conversion or path to ultimate conversion would be kind of most appropriate to focus on for like each of the different campaign types. So yeah, it can work very well for that, especially if you've got different campaign formats within your account. You can kind of pick and choose which conversion to work off that will suit that best.
That's it from us this week. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, we are a PPC agency, paid social and Amazon. Please get in touch. Our email address is hello@wrp.team. And thanks for watching.